We're on SAT Practice Test 10, Math Section 2, Question 3. What's the level of difficulty? It's medium. Medium questions start on Question 3 on Section 2. Caleb used juice to make popsicles. An evil testing service is going to make a function about it. The function f of x equals negative 5x plus 30 approximates the volume in fluid ounces of juice Caleb had remaining after making x popsicles. Which statement is the best interpretation of the y-intercept of the graph of y equals f of x in the xy plane in this context? It's really important to write down what we're looking for in this question. What's the y-intercept? So let's just start by writing down the function, and let's label what the function stuff is. So what's x? ETS says that x is popsicles. What's f of x? Function approximates the volume of juice Caleb had remaining after making x popsicles. So f of x is volume juice remaining. Alright guys, SAT functions love 0 and 1. So if you're in a function on the SAT, you should think about real hard plugging in 0 and 1 into the function. Let's just try that out. Let's plug in 0. So if we plug in 0 for x, we're going to get negative 5 times 0 plus 30. And let's just run it. So it's negative 5 times 0, that's 0, plus 30, that's 30. So we get 30. So we get 30 juice remaining when we do 0 popsicles. Want to run it again? Let's try it with 1. Negative 5 times 1 plus 30. Negative 5 times 1 is negative 5, plus 30, that's 25. So what happened here? If we do 1 popsicle, we have 25 juice remaining. All right, what do you think the y-intercept is? It looks to me like the y-intercept is 30 juice when I do 0 popsicles. So I'm going to write that down. And then I'm going to go to ABCD and I'm going to cross stuff off. A. Caleb used approximately 5 fluid ounces of juice for each popsicle. Well, that looks like it's true, and a lot of people are going to keep this, so we're going to keep it for now, right? That's definitely true. You got 30 at 0 popsicles, 25 at 1 popsicle. Looks like he used 5 for each popsicle. Keep it. B. Caleb had approximately 5 fluid ounces of juice when he began. No, man. When he began at 0 popsicles, how much juice did he have? He had 30. So B is gone. C. Caleb had approximately 30 fluid ounces of juice when he began making popsicles. That's true. 0 popsicles, 30 juice. D. Caleb used approximately 30 fluid ounces of juice for each popsicle. Not true. 30, 25, looks like he's using 5, right? So that's gone. Okay. Make sure you answer the question. What's the question? What's the y-intercept? Y-intercept is 30. What's going on at 30? That's 0 popsicles. Caleb had approximately 30 fluid ounces when he began making popsicles. That's the answer. A is true, but it doesn't answer the question. Pretty sneaky, evil testing service. C is the answer. You can get this right a lot quicker than it took me to explain it and move on.